welcome. My name is Letabo Mokobage, and yeah, welcome to my simple life visual diary. This is where I capture moments with loved ones for my future generations to one day come back and have a look, and also for us to just one day sit back and reminisce on the olden days and stuff like that. So we do that in the form of vlog and also Kati Chats, which is a segment right here on this channel. So if that sounds like your vibe, please consider clicking the subscribe button and joining my beautiful online family. It's a Saturday morning, my loves. It's around 5 to 11. I am headed to... Oh, I forgot my mic. And I wanted to use it in the car so that, you know, the sound is a bit better, but it's okay. So it's a Saturday morning. I am headed to Melrose Drift. There's a venue called Leo de Grace. Yeah, I'm going to this event called Summer. I'm gonna put it here, Summer something. Yeah, and the theme is yellow, pink, yeah, and orange, I think, but mostly pink and yellow. So yeah, I literally got this ticket yesterday, you guys. The theme is pink. I think I saw orange as well as a bit of yellow. So I don't have yellow, I don't have pink. I couldn't find anything pink in my wardrobe, so I opted for this cream dress. It's inhalable. Yeah, this is cream. It's not butter yellow, it's cream. I've worn it before a couple of times, and then this is the first time I'm wearing. I'm gonna show you a full video, I think, when I get there in OOTD. But yeah, this is the scarf that we got at Mihlali's birthday brunch, which was hosted by Be Beautiful. So it's kind of cute. So yeah. So fashionistas, we are watching you guys. Don't stop posting, okay? So we are taking notes. Yeah, so let me see you guys at the event. I feel so cute, yo, and I was stressing so much. My hair, yo, guys, I was stressing about the outfit because I didn't prepare. I didn't have enough time to prepare. Like I said, I bumped into this event yesterday, and then I immediately bought the ticket. And yeah, so then I was like, yo, I don't have anything yellow, I don't have pink. Yeah, so I was stressing a lot this morning, I don't want to lie to you, but I think one thing about me, I need to stop saying that, but one thing about me, last minute mara. So let me stop talking, otherwise. Ooh, and my nails are on theme, Lena. My nails are pink and yellow, pink and butter yellow, so on theme.
Easy, my baby, I'm moving closer. I feel it calling, something I don't have a name for. Hits me quiet, hits me slow. Been circling this truth for years. Yeah, it's you. Easy, my baby.
Guys, it looks like we are lost. So the navigator was sending us to... Oh, okay. Now I see. All right. So it sent us to the entrance next door.
Turn right into the car park.
Yeah. Oh, great. Now I see it. Yeah, we were lost, a couple of us, but we're here now.
Quiet hits me slow. Been circling this truth for years. Yeah, it's you. Easy, my baby. I'm moving closer. I feel it calling. Something I don't have a name for. Hits me quiet, hits me slow. Been circling this truth for years. Yeah, it's you. Moya, moya, moya. When I'm near you, the noise goes silent. This kind of love rearranges. Yeah, moya, moya. When I'm near you, the noise goes silent. Moya, moya. been circling this truth for years. Yeah, it's you. Easy, my baby. I'm moving closer. I feel it calling. I feel it calling. Something I don't have a name for. Hits me quiet, hits me slow. Been circling this truth for years. Yeah, it's you. Moya, moya, moya. When I'm near you, the noise goes silent. This kind of love rearranges. Yeah, moya, moya. When I'm near you, the noise goes silent. Moya, moya, moya. When I'm near you, the noise goes silent. Moya, moya, moya. When I'm near you, the noise goes silent. Settle your aura, moya. Nothing here is rushed. Hold your breath, moya. Some things arrive when they trust. Settle your aura, moya. I'll meet you where you are. Hold your breath, moya. Love don't hurry, love no stars. Even my baby, I've been learning how to listen, how to listen. Not every fire needs a flame. Some things glow without a sound. I was running from reflection, now I see myself in you. See my baby, I've been learning how to listen, how to listen. Not every fire needs a flame. Some things glow without a sound. I was running from reflection, now I see myself in you. Moya, moya, moya. This ain't lust, this recognition. Moya, moya, moya. Two spirits speaking without permission. Moya, moya, moya. This ain't rush, this is precision.
Guys, I came here to change my shoes. I was wearing like those kitten heels, and now I am in this sandals because wow, you are sana. This is like a mini clicks playground, a mini take a lot beauty what elere hetang ye in year out. So yeah, it's giving that. So there's a lot of walking around, to a lot of activations. That's where you get your products and samples. Some brands are giving out samples, some are giving out actual full-sized products. So yeah, it's quite fun. It's very girly. Definitely need to come with a friend. I tried to bring someone, but they were busy. So yeah, anyway, I am meeting a few people that I know, but yeah, let's go back. No problem.
Truth cuts deep. Truth, yeah. Love don't come cheap. Don't come cheap. I've been counting every feeling. Every feeling. Hearts cry louder when they need it. When they need it. I feel fear hit my chest. I stepped into love, I was shaking. Asking myself, will this grow or break me? Pack my courage, walking toward commitment. I feel fear hit my chest. I stepped into love, I was shaking. Asking myself, will this grow or break me? Pack my courage, walking toward commitment. I feel scared again. I don't understand it, I'm in love again. I'm not guarded, I'm not listening to the past. Will you stand and protect me, or will you turn your back on me? Years one shy, Valo, Valo. I don't understand it, I'm in love again. I'm not guarded, I'm not listening to the past. Will you stand and protect me, or will you turn your back on me? I feel fear hit my chest. I stepped into love, I was shaking. Asking myself, will this grow or break me? I packed my courage, walking towards forever. I feel fear hit my chest. I stepped into love, I was shaking. Asking myself, will this grow or break me? I packed my courage, walking toward forever. They won't, they won't, they won't understand. They won't, they won't. But when I'm with you, I feel complete. Yeah, when I'm with you, I feel whole. Baby, my baby, you choose to stay with me. Yeah, with me. They won't, they won't, they won't understand. They won't, they won't. But when I'm with you, I feel complete. Yeah, when I'm with you, I feel whole. Baby, my baby, you choose to stay with me. Yeah, with me.
Guys, it's 2 right now, and I feel like I've seen everything. I went to each and every activation. I got some goodies. This was quite fun. It was so girly. Let me see. Yeah, okay, let me just try and stand here for a few minutes. Iti hi to my YouTube channel, okay? Iti hi. Ah, uyabona ke awufuna ukuthatha isithombe wena. Wena udlala ngami. Iwave ke ithi hi. Sharp, ne? Guys, I'm done. I'm leaving now. The show is still going on, whatever. The event is still going on. I think they're gonna close at 4. It was for 10 till 4 p.m. So, but yeah, I'm tired. I did go to each and every activation. I enjoyed myself. It was so fun, so beautiful, you know. The edge control and feel. I've got so many edge controls and none of them like works. I think it's about time I give sunlight bar soap a try, because I've seen on TikTok it's working for a lot of people. So yeah, I did go to quite a lot of them. I think I went to every activation, but what I'm gonna say is that it's best you come here with someone. So it's just that I saw the event yesterday on Instagram, and then I decided to get a ticket. So a lot of people were unavailable today. So yeah, but it was fun. I mean, you know, girls are girls, man, but were friendly. Oh yes, I bumped into Ntswaki Niza. Oh, she's so beautiful, guys. Whenever cameras don't do people justice, her makeup is so flawless. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I didn't get a picture with her. I wanted to, but she was inside. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I'll get a picture with her next time. But oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Her makeup, yo, hi. No, her makeup was like on point, but she's a makeup artist, so yeah, she's such a beautiful lady. She was with her sisters. They are also so beautiful. Oh my gosh. There's this one with natural hair. So pretty. But yeah, I actually wanted to show you guys the goodie. Is it a goodie bag? It's not a goodie bag. This is the bag. It's written Summer Beauty Carnival. So yeah, there's Lush. This is unfortunately an alcoholic drink. Yeah, it's so cute though. I don't know who I'm gonna give it to. And then at the Pantene activation, I could either get a shampoo, or they said a shampoo or a conditioner, or these shaving blades, and I opted for these because I've got the products. I was on the Pantene campaign. This is for the, what is it? Is it Curve for the barking shapewear. Yeah, and they're not expensive at all. Hey, their pricing wasn't so bad. They were priced around 300 and something, and they're good quality, guys. So yeah, this is the brand. You don't get anything here. You had to play that game. I saw in that game, but yeah, you guys saw me do that. And then Skin Functional, I went, what should I do? So for Skin Functional, I went for this. Can you guys see? I went for the hydration juice. Can't wait to try it. So this other lady, like, we're standing on the queue, she's like, why so you could get this one, and then the other one, I don't know, but now the EXO what yeah. So she was like, why are you getting you could get a sunscreen. Yes, you could also get a sunscreen, but I was like, I've got sunscreen, let me try their serum, because I haven't tried Skin Functional serums. So then she was like, but your skin is so glowing, it's already hydrated, why are you still? And I'm like, girl, I just want to give it a try. Then also Heavenly, we're getting this body perfume mist. So yeah, I did spritz it on. It smells so nice, I love it. And also from there you get this key holder, so cute. And then what else? You got a booklet as well from Skin Functional. From IQ, brightening antioxidant serum. A lot of skincare stuff, you guys. This is just my tripod. Oh, I got these as well from Pantene. Bookmarks, which I still need to cut. Then from IQ, I don't know if you guys can see properly. I'll see, guys. If this doesn't show properly, I will have to do like a proper unboxing later on. Recovery's Cream SOS by IQ. And then a cute bottle from Cetaphil. Then I also got like these pretty stickers that I'm gonna stick around here. Cute bottle, love it. Then some samples from Cetaphil. So this is the Gentle Skin Cleanser. Ooh, sunscreen SPF 50, and also moisturizing cream. How cute. Yeah, and then these are like 20% off for Skin Functional products. And then these are the stickers I was talking about for the bottle. Here they are. I'm just gonna stick them on the bottle. And that was it, you guys. It was so nice. Yeah, I love attending such events. There was a lady performing there. Oh my gosh, she's so good and she's pretty. with beautiful hair. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go now. So this is did I say that this is like spend the weekend with me? This is a weekend vlog. I'm not gonna drag it for the whole week because I want my vlogs to be like a bit short this year. Yeah, so that I can be consistent. So I am going to go pick up Thabang Litumi Insho later on, and then we are headed to Pretoria to see my mom and my sisters and my aunt and my uncle. So yeah, let us, so excited. This is an actual bottle. Thank you. So let us head on home. Yeah.
The world is a wondrous place when you slow it down.
Throw off the rules like our shoes on the golden ground.
Sway in the autumn leaves.
You are beautiful.
When you look at me, can you feel my love? Oh, oh, oh.
Can you feel my love? Oh, 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 oh. Can you feel my love? Can you feel my love?